Today, I want to talk about free will to imagine your desires. Free will to imagine your desires. What is up, YouTube? Welcome to my channel. I am Mr. Make Life Happen, and I hope you're having a super blessed day because life is so good. If this is your first time here, this channel is dedicated to personal development, the art of imagination, and spirituality based off the teachings from Neville Goddard. Today, I want to talk about free will to imagine your desires. So today, we're going to talk about your birthright, your divine right to have anything that you desire. Imagination creates all reality. Neville Goddard teaches us that feeling is the secret. He says that we must feel and assume the feeling of our wish fulfilled. So whenever you begin to live in the end, and whenever you begin to see yourself already having your desires, then you're going to begin to feel good. And whenever you feel good, you automatically think good, lovely, and conjuring thoughts. So Nikola Tesla said, think in terms of energy, frequency, and vibration. He said this is the secret to the universe. So your emotions, the way that you feel, this is your gift. These are your gifts from your higher self. So how you feel determines what you believe in. And as you believe in, that shall be done unto you. You have free will to imagine anything you desire. So you have your own human imagination inside of your skull. Nobody can see it. Nobody can hear the voice inside of your head. So everything in your mind is going to reflect in the outer world. You're going to see a reflection of everything that you've been thinking. So this entire world is mental. So you're always living in your imagination. You're always living in your mind. Remember that. So if you want to change your current reality, if you want to change your 3D world, you have the free will to do so. The universe always says yes. So whatever you think and believe in your heart, source, life principle, infinite intelligence, God. So this power within us doesn't care what you ask for. So the universe is on your side if you choose to believe so. Whenever you die, people are still going to be living doing their own thing. So why do you care so much about what somebody has to say? This is your human experience. If you desire health, go for it. So you have the power to manifest the best health. So you were born with the gift inside of your mind to manifest the best health that you could ever have. So your higher self became or manifested itself into a human so you can have this experience. You're here to experience love, peace, freedom, abundance, and all the great things that life has to offer. So if you desire something, go for it. The word desire or desires means from the Father. So that means that God, the Creator, has already prepared this for you. You cannot imagine something that doesn't exist. So if you can imagine and feel it, that means it's already yours. So once you feel and know that it's yours by divine right, then that's how it's going to manifest into your life. Girl, sit. Wait. Girl, wait. So the purpose of all this is for you to discover that you are God or I am. You're here to discover that your consciousness is the one and only reality. So whenever you die, your body gets transformed and you have another human experience, deja vu. And you're going to have this over and over and over until you realize and recognize that imagination is the real you. So you have the free will to imagine anything that you desire. So you have the free will to use the power within you to manifest all your desires. But as I always say, guys, the choice is yours. Life is good. Thank you so much for watching. I'm going to upload videos on Wednesdays and Thursdays. Stay tuned for my next video. How often should you imagine your desires? How often should you imagine your desires? If this video does resonate with you and you liked it, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe, hit the bell icon, go out and use your gifts and make life happen. Peace.